Maggie jealous.
Bye. Bye.
Mine? Mine. This is mine?
Yeah, mine.
Let me have this.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Can Maggie have it?
Yeah.
Is that for Maggie? Okay, Maggie. Come here, Maggie. You can have these. We can have these. Well, I thought we could.
Me.
Me? Everything's you. Everything's me.
No, me. My Hot Wheels.
His Hot Wheels.
Your Hot Wheels? Wow. Look, I'm lining them up.
Hey.
Well, look, we got a pile of them. They should be straight, huh? No? Okay.
Hey.
Oh, thanks. Can I have the bus?
No, me.
Yo, you. Okay. Yeah, see, that's good. Now light them all up.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Me.
Like this? Oh, this one's on the thing.
Yeah. Aha. Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Wow. Did you see me do that? Yeah. Should put this up here.
Oh, here comes Maggie.
Oh, man.
You bringing that to Daddy? You bringing the paper to Daddy? You a good girl.
Give me a kiss. Kisses?
Give Daddy a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Come on. Oh, thanks.
Give Quentin a kiss.
Wipe it off. Maggie's got my order. Maggie's got my paper.
Yeah.